Welcome back. Your data that you have saved in Microsoft Excel is now going to be compatible with your other Office applications. And so what you want to do is you want to make sure that your document is saved, that you have a definite name. Then if you've completed working with it, you want to make sure that the last change that you've made is then saved. Then you want to head into your Microsoft PowerPoint. And what you want to do is head to PowerPoint and click Insert. Then what you want to do is click on the object. Once you do that, you're then going to click Create from File. You're then going to browse to your Excel file that you saved. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click Link. And this is going to link to the actual file in Excel. What this means is that when you make changes in Excel, the changes will also occur in your PowerPoint document automatically. So we're going to click Link, and then going to click OK. So then you'll see that here is our chart with the information. And so let's say that we go into our chart and we make a change. And we choose to make this a different number. We save that number. When we go back to our PowerPoint document, you'll notice that that same number is now in our PowerPoint file. We can do the same thing in Microsoft Word. What we will do is to go to the Insert command. We're then going to go to the Object area. We're then going to click Object. Once you do that, we're going to click Create from File. We're then going to browse to the file. We're then going to link to the file. And then we're going to click OK. And then you'll see our chart inside of our Microsoft Word document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.